is true, love is kind. Love it waits when you're out of time. It won't fail and it won't cease. Love can hold all the hope you need.
I don't really feel like demoing, but I'm gonna.
Holes. Holes in this.
Holes? Yeah. I think there used to be some wood stoves right there. The chimneys went through the ceiling right there. Yeah, I'm not tired. I'm not, I feel good. I feel fine. I just don't want a demo.
Do you think you're gonna, demo again? Rip some more out?
I'm gonna do that right now, yeah.
Those has a lot more.
I think I'm gonna go upstairs though and start demoing up there because realistically, I have to have the upstairs demoed before I can take the stairs out. Even with a wide angle camera, and that's as wide as it can get, it's still hard to record. Another thing I want to point out before I get going, it's not going to happen probably, but the power is officially off over here. So if you see me cutting a wire or I'm doing something crazy, there's no power over here at all. So it'd be probably impossible to get shocked. I think I'm going to just start on this wall, ceiling, just work this way. So that is facing towards the stone house. You can kind of see the stone house right there. Just to get your bearings. Somewhere in here, there's going to be a doorway to the other side, to the stone side. On TV shows, they always try to make the demo look like the fun part. They're like, demo day. It's not fun. So every renovation type TV show is just fake. Honestly, if you've never done it and all you know about demo is watching TV shows or people like me on YouTube, demo's not fun. It's exciting because it's so whoa, but it's not fun. It's messy, it's hard, it's dirty, I'm in a bad mood.
I just said bang!
Well, I thought this foam would stay. I didn't really want a big opening, but...
You can be the first person that goes through. Just hold on, let me go. I'll pick you up and put you over there.
Focus and hold me.
Look down. There you go.
Wow.
You're the first person to go through the other side.
Eek!
Oh yeah. Come on.
I can get in a clump.
Oh, wow. What's going on? That was a taped seam. That just took a lot.
I need a new bag, I think. It's so gross.
Here we go. There.
Cool. It's like a door.
Yep.
Things. Except the door comes off with hinges.
The spider's like, what the heck?
What happened to this thing?
Do you want to take guesses that this wall has wood on it too?
Yeah, I bet it does.
It does? I don't know. Oh. Yep.
Demolition and sheetrock, so then the bags are filled, but not too heavy.
Not a good idea. looks like a spot where you would hide money.
Oh yeah?
Why not?
I think most people don't hide money.
What?
People hide money.
Uh-oh.
That's not money.
They hid money in the shape of blown insulation?
Yeah. They shredded their money! They insulate the wall.
There's some holes in the ceiling downstairs where you could tell some chimneys came up through, like steel chimneys, the round kind. And this probably is where one came up and then went out the wall, which kind of guarantees that I'm correct that at one time this one room was an addition, and then they built on this addition sometime after. Because you would never have a chimney go up and in, obviously, to a bathroom or, yeah, so that makes sense why this wall is framed and attached the way it is too down there.
Hey, sweetheart. I would love to.
Watch out with
Oh
your
my
feet.
goodness. You thought of that?
Good job.
Wow.
Can I show the camera? Good job.
That's awesome, honey.
And I hope that.
I like it. What made you think to do a blue top?
That's it for now. I wanted to get more done. I think you always want to get more done. Good start though. Another weekend, we'd have all this out of here for sure. But it takes a while. It's not a small room. This is bigger than any of the kids' rooms that I did. And those always took a full 2 weekends. So 4 days of work. I can't wait really to have this all gutted, because I do want to see how it's framed for these windows, if we can make the windows different or not.
Anything's possible.
All right. That's it.